everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to edit characters on PolyBuzz. So first of all, launch open PolyBuzz application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here PolyBuzz has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to edit the character, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here, you'll be able to see all of your characters. Make sure characters option is selected over here. So what you have to do is find the character that you would like to edit. After you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see right next to that particular character. Now you'll be able to find two options, edit, delete. Tap on this option, edit, that you can see on the screen. Now due to privacy and security reasons, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. You'll be able to see the preview in this interface. At bottom left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for edit. If you tap on it, you'll be able to find the option for avatar, profile and voice. So if you want to edit the avatar, tap on the option avatar. If you want to change the profile information like name, gender, introduction, tap on the option profile. Likewise, in order to change the voice, tap on the option voice. Now after you apply all the changes, tap on the save option that you'll be able to see in this interface. Now after you do that, the change will be applied. So like this, you'll be able to edit your character. So that is how you edit characters in PolyBuzz. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.